So today we're gonna learn about how to convert the PDF file to the Excel sheet without any online portal, without any paid versions. So you know that we can easily convert without any tools. Okay. So in this lesson, you don't want to invest any amount from that or any other website, any other vendor, but you can easily convert unlimited pages from your Excel sheet too. Okay, since you can easy way you have the many people, the many people having issue with that the PDF to the Excel sheet convert, but the many people can say suggest for you can just google it, you can just the PDF to do Excel sheet. There is a mini online portal you can easily convert, but they has giving from that is a limited the pages. Okay, for example, you can convert if you have the if you have that the pages like more than the 100 pages, just you can the website is only allowing for to the convert like limited like the 2 or 2 to 10 maximums. Okay, rather than you need to pay for that. Okay, I will show that as well. Okay, so then you will without confirm the without the confuse, you can easy for that. You can just search if you have, it's normal way. Okay, you are when you go to the Google, just search the PDF to the Excel sheet convert. There is a many people, the website is coming from that. Okay, the many website they you can easy to free to use it for that, but there is a limited. Okay, but rather than you need to pay for that. Okay, I will show see I will show from here the premium versions as well. Okay, see the PDF to the Excel sheet flexible price like the $40 you need to pay for the 1,000 pages, but here I'm going to teach it for you that without any investment, unlimited pages you can convert that. Okay, same thing, you can see the two USD dollars and 10 USD annually, lifetime 150 USD. Don't waste it for this kind of money from your the amount, you know that. Okay, you know, if you know that the correct method from your Excel sheet, you can easily convert from that. I will teach the separate video from that, how to use the Excel sheet and the Word and the PowerPoint and the Outlook. A lot of the things videos coming from that. Okay, for here just I'm showing like how to convert from that. It's a basic thing, main professional way to go with there. Okay, I already have that pages from the 30. Okay, but I can take for that. Okay, on if you have the PDF, just open from the your Google way, just click it, it's coming from that. Okay, after that you can go to the Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet is similar. Okay, this my Excel sheet, like I think so guess it's so versions like let me show up level as well, 365. Okay, this is my version is 365 I'm using for that. We can use it 2019 or 2021 is fine. It doesn't matter your version, but you have to know about that version as well. Okay, just I'm showing like my, because I'm using for the paid version, so no. Okay, it's a depends on you. Okay, so on your Excel you can see like the title bar from that home inside the page, layout, the formulas and data, review, view, help, the many things. On this Excel sheet you can go to the data options. On your data you can see the like the get to data. Okay, once you click the get to data, you have to see the from file, from database, from Azure, from platform, from online services and from other sources. But some people I can say like the from here the source is something, but here is because my version should be 365, so I'm just showing like, okay, so many people are showing like database. Okay, it's a different version, different kind of you can see. Okay, on this the get data you can see the from other sources, you can see the from web option. Just click the from web. Okay, once you click the from web, you already have opened your PDF file from your browser. You have to open the browser through. Okay, because we are using for the online meaning we just copy paste an online web portal. Okay, just open it, copy for this URL means your our PDF path. Okay, just go to the our Excel sheet, just paste it from here. Okay, paste it. Since you know that our file path is C user unif download and PDF, you can paste it from your browser where you download from the path. You can just copy paste it. You know that you have to get the path from that. If you doesn't know about that, I will show from that as well, that is easy for you all. Just open the your download file, or somewhere you save that file, you have to open the folder, and you can go to the your PDF section, just right click. Okay, under right click you can go to the properties. Okay, you can copy for the path. Okay, just you can see this path has been copied. See, you have to type, must you have to type the file under slash 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 she user path and download, and you need to must we need to copy and paste from your the file name. Okay, see this file name is used, must to copy it. After that you can go just okay, don't click, just keep as a basic, just click okay. You know that excel sheet right now is converting, so just wait for a minute. Okay, wait for a second or something, it's a difference in your the PDF. Okay, on C is converted, you know this automatically navigating the pages. Like for example, I can show off like there is a 13 pages, I can see the many of the things. Okay, see I can see like some of the things, information is data. Okay, these are okay. I need to convert like the, see you can see the page, all pages, like you know. So I'm going to select in the pages 4, pages 5. Here you can see the pages 5. What is the pages 5? Since sorry, pages 4, see the database. Here I need to convert this for one. So if you want, you can entire, you can select the multiple, just click everything, you can convert. If you don't want to select that page, you can easily convert. You know, when you're using the online port, you can't do for this kind of easy things. Okay, so simple thing, just click the pages 4. I'm just clicking the pages 4, you can see the it's loading. See, okay, let me, yeah, pages 4, it's things as well loading. If you want to select like see this kind of also is allowing, see this database coming from that as well, column 3 and everything, you know. The column 3 is coming from that, like see it's blank. Okay, so I'm just taking for that. Okay, I'm going to take pages. Okay, so here we can see like transformation data, or if you want load directly, if you want load, you can load. If you want to transform the data, you want to before load the excel sheet, you can check it from that transport data. Or if not, you want to load, yes, just click the load. Okay, yeah, once you load, if you click the load, just waiting for that, it's because it's needs to process the query. Once you process the query, you can see your file path. Okay, let me wait, it's getting the database. Okay, see your database is fully converted, you know. See that. Okay, I will copy, I will show the my the PDF, and see this. See, you know, the clearly the excel sheet has been converted. So you know that as well. Okay, so that easy for, you know. See, the many people is talking for that, when you using the you need the data, you need to invest your data as well. But here you don't want to invest any data from here, just you can use it from your excel sheet. You have saving your file from that as well. Okay, you're saving your money. Most people having the money, so that so you can easy to save from that. Everyone, you know, easy to learn about that here. Okay, so here see, just I can show from that here. You can just compare with that if you want. Okay, just you can compare. See the 544 35 2009 999. Yeah, all the SSI is available from here, you know. See that easy way you can. That's it, guys. If you have any questions from the regarding this, or any kind of, if you want to help, just you can drop a comment section from here my YouTube channel. Or if you want to contact me directly, you can just open your these things. I will give them my email ID. You can send us the directly to me. Okay, email ID is mhmmun at gmail.com. You can contact me directly. If not, if you want to contact me through WhatsApp, just type +940772766824. You can reach me anytime. Okay, so I will teach the many kind of the Excel sheet. Most people having the Excel sheet because Excel is the main important things everyone in your life, because you want to start your business as well. You need to use it from the Excel sheet. Okay, you need to enter the database as well. So I will every day you will get in the some of the video regarding the Excel sheet and the date, some of the formula you want to learn. So in this video, I show the Excel, the PDF to the Excel sheet they convert without any investment money. Okay. Uh, I hope this clear about that and everything. So if you have the questions, just again I'm saying that just drop a message. Please subscribe to my channel.